This will be a premiere / debut starring the legend of the next Omni King, Omni Goku. All credit for this episode goes out to Rising Fist. And best of wishes to the next episode to debut / premiere. Anyway, remember that I taught you guys that Goku would one day become Omni King? Well, this is what Rising Fist drew for it. This guy was known to be the warrior in white. Who would have thought? A man like him king. You remember when Goku, Vegeta, Trunks, and everyone else escaped from Zeno's wrath after he erased Zamasu? Well, it turns out copies of both Goku and Vegeta were left behind and were crystallized. Well, Vegeta was abducted by the Hakai Shin of Time, whoever that is. As for Goku, he was transported to the realm of the angels. Where this guy, well, he spent most of his time mastering Ultra Instinct. Well, after being in the Grand Minister's realm for so long, he's mastered Ultra Instinct at will. Now it's partially permanent. Now this guy has become an Omni King himself. Well, Omni King of Angels, of course. Well, I feel like he is. This guy's suit is not like the Omni King uniform we saw. Now then. Thanks to the Omni King Goku's influence, he's managed to create a new life where those who are skilled and dedicated themselves to martial arts. Not only that, but that kind of influence has affected Zamasu himself. As I was saying, Goku's influence had a huge impact on Zamasu. And get this, he came to his senses. Goku Black is now a good guy now. The Omni King saw good in him and helped him change his ways. They may have fought an epic battle once before, but Black made the right choice. He finally understood what mortals are really capable of. And to sum that up, he actually fused with his master. After being resurrected by the Super Dragon Balls himself. Only they placed Omni King. They only placed Zamasu in his own body. That's what Omni King Goku wished for. The next thing he did was that he was transported to King Kai's place, where he, the Grand Minister, Vados, and Whis, they warned Trunks and the others about the oncoming threat. Since then, they were on a mission to save Vegeta and stop the Hakai Shin of Time. Can they do it? Can they really save him? Can they stop Hakai Shin? Well, I'll tell you after Rising Fist reveals the next episode. And after the Hakai Shin of Time is revealed, I'll draw him. that's all for now, guys. Good night.